Listen up, everyone. This is very important. The biggest wealth transfer in history is literally here. Do not miss this opportunity. So, let's get straight to it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And this video is sponsored by myself. So definitely check out marsellis.beatstars.com, link in the description. Let's get straight to it. So look, this is the biggest wealth transfer in history. Literally, we have never seen a drop like this inside the whole overall global economy. Literally, this is huge. This is the biggest thing since the Great Recession. Like this is really huge. Like the Great Depression ain't got nothing on this. I mean, yeah, it does. But look, this is huge for us. So I want to first start talking about the opportunities that we have in the crypto market. So yes, the whole wealth transfer is more than just crypto. It's stocks, everything, real estate, everything's going to be going down. But what I want to focus on right now is crypto. Look at this, 14% down for the last 24 hours in Bitcoin. 38% in the last 7 days with Bitcoin. You can see over here Ethereum at $900. Come on, Bitcoin at 17K. Ethereum down 17% in the last 24 hours. 45% in the last 7 days. Like, we have all of these discounts in the crypto market. This is amazing. This is huge. This is wonderful. Like, literally, just imagine Ethereum at $10,000 and you're buying it now at $906. $10,000 Ethereum at $906 right now. That's a huge gain. That's a 10x right there. Just think about that. So there's huge opportunities here inside the crypto market. You just have to be willing to stick around and just wait for it. Because look, if you buy one Ethereum at $1,000 or at $900, now look, at $10,000, you're gonna have $10,000 inside Ethereum. Imagine if you put 10K into Ethereum while it's at $1,000 and it goes up to $10,000. That's $100,000. Look, this is very serious right now. Like, this wealth transfer is huge. A lot of people don't understand this. I mean, look, rich people, millionaires, billionaires, you want to know what they're doing right now? I'm going to show you exactly what the rich people are doing. I'm going to show you exactly what the millionaires are doing, the billionaires, what CZ Binance is doing. Look, this is huge. Binance boss CZ says the crypto downturn is far from over. So yes, it's still going to go down a little bit more, but this is a good idea. This is a good strategy to buy more and buy as it goes down. So then you're buying at the lowest points. But you don't want to just throw it all in all at once. You want to average down. But remember, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. This is just what almost all the rich people are doing. And look, it says, and he plans to go on a spending spree. This is huge, very huge right here. And you want to know what all the rich people are doing, millionaires, billionaires? This is what they're doing. $2.3 billion inside of this Bitcoin wallet. Guess what this Bitcoin wallet did on the 9th of this month? They sold $15 million worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, you might not think that's a lot, but look over here, 30,000. They sold it at 30,000. They knew it was going to go down a little bit more. That's why I'm following what these rich people are doing. That's why I'm following what these millionaires and billionaires are doing. What are they doing? They're starting to buy more. They're doubling down now. Look, they're not just throwing it all in all at once. $9.5 million right here. $10.6 million right here on the 14th. And then right here, $4.8 million on the 15th. $6.1 million on the 16th. And then yesterday, $5.4 million. That is huge. This is huge. The fact that they're spending so much money buying these crypto dips, this is huge. And they're not the only one. All of them are doing this. Look, they were smart. They got out right when everything started to go down, but now they're starting to buy more, and they're buying more, and they're buying more. Look at all these sales. They knew something was going to happen. They knew something was cooking up. So they were just selling progressively as it went down. But now they're starting to buy again. Look, this one purchase invalidates all of the sales that they made. $1.9 billion purchase. That's $1,941,888,016. That's huge right there. One-time purchase, purchased today. They literally just purchased $1.9 billion of Bitcoin today. That's huge. If that doesn't scream wealth transfer, then I don't know what does. Because look, when Bitcoin gets back to a 600 or 60K and possibly 100K by the end of the next year, their money is about to be huge. This money is about to be huge. So you just got to think about it. Look, 64.3K Bitcoin. Just imagine there's 64.3K Bitcoin, multiplying that by $100,000 Bitcoin. That's $6.4 billion. Right now, they're only at $1.1 billion. The biggest wealth transfer is here. Do not miss it. Look right here, $169 million right there, purchased worth of Bitcoin. That's huge. $185 million right here, worth of Bitcoin. That's huge. And look, they're just buying it left and right, left and right. All these rich people, they're doing this because they see the huge opportunities that we have. And look, $1.5 million purchased on the 31st. And yeah, they're down a little bit because they bought on the 31st, but still, they know what's coming inside the near future. So even if you're down right now, just look at this 50.6K. Just imagine what that would be at 100K Bitcoin. So even though they're down right now, you got to think about where they're going to be, because the people with the bigger money, the bigger bags, the billions, this person only has 938 million, right? But think about the people that put in 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion. The people that put in these billions, part of their money is going to be going to them. That's why it's called the wealth transfer, because as these people put in their money and then bigger money puts in bigger money, their money then flows into the other person's money. If they decide to sell, now they're kind of taking a little bit of the other person's bag. And that's why it's called the wealth transfer. Whenever you go here and you multiply this by 100K Bitcoin, that's $5 billion. That's 5 billion, or really it's 4 billion that came from other people. But the 938 million that's already there, that was their money. But then the rest, the 4 billion that came in, that's coming from other people. That's the wealth transfer that we're talking about here. So if you could put in like $1 billion now and have $5 billion in a year, like that's a huge wealth transfer. And if you look at this from a more micro point of view, think about this with your money now. Think about, let's say you put in like, let's go ahead and move over here. I don't know why I opened that FL Studio. Like I said, I sponsor my own channel, so definitely go ahead and check out my beats, marsellis.beatstars.com, if you need background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need some beats for your music. But anyways, let's go over here and look at this. So Bitcoin at 17.7K, right? It's probably lower than that now, or actually higher. See, it just now jumped. But anyways, watch my previous video. I actually mentioned how we're about to hit this resistance here. I'm going to go over a little bit of a technical analysis on this after I get done talking about this. But let's talk about this. So 18.6K, right? Let's just go ahead and say you buy this at $1,000. And you know what? Bitcoin is expensive. Let's just say we go back a little bit, right? Let's just say you jump over here to Ethereum. Let's say you buy Ethereum at 951, right? So let's say you have $10,000 to buy Ethereum. So now you take your $10,000 for Ethereum, divide that by 951.70. That's going to give you 10.5 Ethereum. So you take your 10.5 Ethereum and you multiply it by that target price, like that $10,000. We know that Ethereum can reach $10,000. It's possible. And look, that's $105,000 off of a $951 Ethereum, off of an original $10,000 investment. This is possible. This is called the wealth transfer. That's $95,000 going straight directly into your pocket from this wealth transfer. This is the biggest wealth transfer in history. Do not miss this opportunity. I know right now it's hard to buy things. It's hard to buy more and more crypto because all these dips are so hard and heavy, and it's really hard because of the inflation. I'm feeling it too. $50 per full tank for me. I'm driving literally 100 miles a day, paying all this money in gas. I know it's really hard, but still you have to try to save, maybe sell some things, or just do whatever you can to get it, as long as it's legal. But anyways, let's look at this. So think about what Ethereum would be at for 10,000. So what Ethereum would be at $10,000 for the circulating supply. Let's go ahead and take 10,000 times the 121,222,328, and obviously there'll be more supply because Ethereum, you know, they proof of mining. They're the ages mine. But let's just look at this: 223 million. So that's pretty much 1.2 trillion market cap. So do you think Ethereum can get to a 1.2 trillion market cap? I definitely think it can, because as Ethereum reaches 1.2 trillion market cap, you'll probably see Bitcoin more so around 3.5 trillion market cap, or like 2.5 trillion market cap. So later on, this is what we're going to be looking at. So yeah, Ethereum is not just going to hit $10,000 by the end of this year. It's not going to happen like that. But by the end of next year, it could happen like that. And this is the possibilities that we have in these markets. There's huge potential here for this wealth transfer. So I'm telling you right now, you definitely want to do this. Now look, the better thing, or the bigger thing that you could actually invest in, are smaller cap cryptos, smaller cap coins. Look, think about Dogecoin, for instance. What if Elon Musk just starts pumping Dogecoin again, right? For Dogecoin to hit $1, it had to be 132 billion market cap, which is possible. We've reached 90 billion market cap off the Saturday Night Live news. So just think about this. Dogecoin at 5 cents, right? Now, this is where you really start to see the big wealth transfer, when you really start to get in on the lower market cap cryptos. I know Dogecoin isn't a low cap. It's more like a high cap crypto, but still, it's lower than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's just say you take $10,000, you divide it by the 0.53014 that Dogecoin is worth now. That gives you 188,000 Dogecoin. What if Dogecoin gets to $1? Now, boom, you have $188,000. I don't know why I just messed up like that. I didn't even have to do that math. Anything times one is itself. But anyways, $188,000. That is huge. Literally, if you put $10,000 in Doge now, Doge goes to the $1. Boom, you just now made $188,000. That's huge right there. Like, come on. Like, this is the biggest wealth transfer in history. Do not miss this. This is really what we've all been waiting for. So with disaster comes opportunity. Big shout out to CZ Binance. He's going on a hiring spree. Definitely go ahead and hire me, CZ Binance. I can do anything from your marketing to whatever you need, whatever you guys need. Hire me for your Binance marketer. But anyways, moving on from there, let's talk about Dogecoin, or not Dogecoin, but Bitcoin still. Look at what these whales are doing. These whales are going crazy. So on the 7th of this month, $28 million. On the 7th, this is all on the 7th. Look, $28 million, $29 million, $118 million, $29 million, $147 million, $147 million, $147, $88 million, $59 million, $295 million, $59 million. They see something that we do not see. This is the biggest wealth transfer in history, and they know it. And look, they're like, I'm already rich, but I'm going to get even richer. And you can even see it over here, $722 million. They put way more in that in there. They were actually at $30,000. Our Bitcoin was at $30,000, but they put way more than $30,000 in there, and it just kept going down. It just kept going down, but they're still putting money in, and this is the significance. Let's just do a little bit of math here. So you take their 59 million. I'm just gonna do it by 59s and by hundreds because I'm not gonna do all those numbers. But look, 59 million plus 295 million plus 59 million, right? There's so many millions here, plus 88 million plus 147 million plus 147 million plus 147 million plus 29 million. Yes, they're putting this much money in here. Plus 118 million plus 29 million plus 28 million. That is 1146. That's a lot of money. That is literally $1.1 trillion that they put in here. They only have 722 million left because Bitcoin kept going down. And they started putting in at the 7th of this month. But they're still buying. And they're doing that because they know that Bitcoin's going to keep going down, but they don't know when it's going to hit the bottom. None of us knows when it's going to bottom out. So we're really just trying to average down, and that's what they're doing. See, whenever you're planning for the long term, this is what you got to do. And look, this person came in last year on the 24th of October, and look, $2.2 million or $2.2 billion. Now that $2.2 billion is worth $702 million. I don't want to hear nobody complaining about how they lost $1,000 here, $1,000 there. I'm down $30,000. That really sucks. That really does suck a lot. But look, this person is down billions of dollars. Literally, they had 2.2 billion. Now they only have 1.7. They're literally down like 1.5 billion dollars. Like, yeah, I don't want to hear anybody complain because there's a lot of people like this right now. So the 15th. So this is huge. And I know a lot of people got bills, so you're upset you lost your money. I understand. I'm not being rude like that. I'm just saying though. Look, right here, $689 million purchased here with Bitcoin. That was on the 15th. That's a lot of money. So look, there's more and more people like this. But this one over here, they bought in July last year at $1.2 billion, and that's when Bitcoin was 38K. Now their 1.2 billion is only 579 million. Only 579 million. They literally lost a whole $1 billion. So we got more whales that are making money and more whales that are just buying. Look, this is all today. All this today, and then all these are from yesterday. But yeah, these whales are really doubling down. They know it's the biggest wealth transfer in history. You can see this whale, 16th and the 15th, bought $5 million, $2 million, and they keep buying more and more and more Bitcoin. You can see over here, this one right here got in at $1.1 billion. Ooh, see, this is where it really starts getting tricky. They bought at the literal peak, and they're still holding it, and they're billionaires because they understand that when you hold it for a long time, you hold it over time, and you hold it through the wealth transfer, through this Great Depression that we're having literally now. This is huge. This is a huge opportunity, the biggest wealth transfer in history. Look, $1.1 billion to $344 million, but they're still holding it because they know exactly what's about to happen. Billionaires don't do this type of stuff without doing their due diligence. Billionaires don't do this type of stuff without doing their research. They have financial advisors. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. But they probably have their own financial advisors telling them, look, this is the move to make. I don't know if they do or not because I'm not a financial advisor, but hey, they could be having that with them. So over here, you could see over here. So this was on the 22nd or the 22nd of October, 991 million, now worth 302 million, but they're still holding it. They bought at 60K. They know it's going to be worth more than 60K in the future. They know 100K by the end of the next year. By the end of the year after that, possibly 200K. And it could keep going up and up and up. We don't know. Anything can happen. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over this. Actually, let's do a little bit of technicals here. So look, right here, we just now bottomed out here with Bitcoin, and then we went up here to this resistance line, and now we're going to get rejected. Look, we're going to get rejected. This is going to be harder for us to pass. And look, if we don't get rejected, it's going to be a bull trap. So if we don't get rejected, the next area we'll go up to is 22K. That's our next area of resistance for Bitcoin. So if we break past this resistance here at 19K, then we're going to end up hitting 22K. But it's a bull trap, let's be honest. But anyways, over here you can see on the oscillator, it does show that we're about to become bullish. So it might be possible that we pump up to 22K. But be careful. This is probably a bull trap. And that's why you want to be patient. You want to buy at the best opportunities. The best opportunity for you to buy previously was actually around 17.7K. But now that we're increasing our price, you don't really want to jump in right now. You want to wait till it gets lower, 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 and then buy at the bottom, let it pump, wait till it gets lower, and then buy at the bottom again. Keep doing that. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much what I got here. Now coming over here to the 4-hour chart, you see that it's the same support, or I mean the same resistance line up here. So yeah, we have that possibility to get up here to 22K, but it's probably going to be a bull trap. Even if we get past 22K, we still got 26K, then 28K to get past. This is a bull trap. Do not fall for it. Just wait for it. Just let it keep going down. It's just going to happen. But anyways, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. If you like the video, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want you, or the members want me to go over next. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This video is sponsored by me, myself, and I. So definitely check out marsellis.beatstars.com. Link in the description if you need background music for any of your videos, or maybe you just need beats for your songs. So definitely go ahead and do that. And as always, I'll be back with another video.